For the best experience, please turn on subtitles while watching this video so you can easily follow the AI resources and prompt text shared throughout. If you'd like to copy the names of the AI tools and the wording of the prompts featured in this video, just click the Show Transcript button below the video description and copy whatever you need from there. Starting a sandwich shop is an exciting opportunity to turn your love of great food into a thriving business. With the help of free AI tools, you can simplify many aspects of launching and running your sandwich shop, from planning and marketing to operations and customer service, without spending a fortune on consultants or software. This step-by-step guide will walk you through the entire process in detail, showing you how to use AI at each stage to build a solid foundation and grow your business successfully. Step 1. Conduct market research. Before diving into any business, understanding the market is essential. Use free AI tools to analyze your target audience, competitors, and local demand. Start by using ChatGPT to gather initial insights. For example, analyze the sandwich shop market in your city and describe popular sandwich trends, customer preferences, and competitor types. ChatGPT can summarize market reports, customer reviews, and social media trends into an easy-to-understand overview. Next, use Google Trends to track search interest for sandwich-related keywords in your area. This data shows what types of sandwiches people are searching for most often, which helps you tailor your menu. Additionally, explore competitor websites and social media to see what they offer, their pricing, and their customer engagement style. You can ask ChatGPT to help you draft competitor comparison notes by saying, "Create a competitor analysis comparing 3 sandwich shops in your city based on menu variety, pricing, and customer reviews." Step 2. Develop a business plan. A well-structured business plan guides your decisions and is vital if you seek financing. Using ChatGPT, you can quickly generate a professional business plan template tailored to your sandwich shop. Try the prompt. Generate a detailed business plan outline for a new sandwich shop, including sections on market analysis, operations, marketing, and financial projections. Once you have a structure, write each section by feeding ChatGPT specific instructions. For example, for market analysis, say, write a market analysis focusing on the demand for healthy sandwich options in urban areas. For financial projections, create a 3-year financial forecast for a small sandwich shop with estimated startup costs, monthly expenses, and revenue. Step 3. Find and evaluate a location. Location significantly impacts foot traffic and sales. Start by researching available commercial spaces on platforms like LoopNet or Craigslist. Use Google Maps and free demographic data tools, such as city data, to understand neighborhood profiles. For a quick summary, prompt ChatGPT. List the advantages and disadvantages of leasing a retail space in specific neighborhood for a sandwich shop. Once you shortlist locations, visit them in person to assess visibility, accessibility, parking, and competitor presence. Check local zoning regulations online to ensure the property can legally operate a food business. Step 4. Create your menu. Crafting a compelling menu balances creativity with practicality. Use ChatGPT to brainstorm sandwich ideas by requesting. Suggest a diverse sandwich menu including vegetarian, vegan, and gluten-free options suitable for a casual sandwich shop. AI can also help you create descriptions that appeal to customers. For example, write appetizing menu descriptions for a turkey club sandwich and a vegan chickpea salad sandwich. Additionally, leverage free AI nutrition calculators like Chronometer or MyFitnessPal to estimate calorie counts and allergens. This helps inform customers and comply with regulations. Once you finalize your menu items, calculate ingredient costs using spreadsheet templates that you can create or customize with AI assistance. Ask ChatGPT. Explain how to build a cost spreadsheet to track ingredient prices and calculate food cost percentage. Step 5. Establish your brand identity. A strong brand sets your shop apart. Use free AI-powered graphic design platforms like Canva, which offer templates and AI suggestions for logos, color palettes, and social media graphics. Start by asking ChatGPT for branding ideas. Suggest brand names and slogans for a sandwich shop focusing on fresh and local ingredients. Once you pick a name, create your logo and design your menu layout. Use consistent fonts and colors across your website and social channels to reinforce your brand. You can also get AI help writing your brand story with a prompt such as, write an engaging About Us page for a sandwich shop that highlights community, quality ingredients, and fast service. Step 6. Build your online presence. In today's world, customers expect to find businesses online. Set up a free Google Business profile to appear on Google Maps and local search results. Use AI website builders like Wix or Bookmark's free tiers to create a simple website. ChatGPT can help with content creation. Write homepage website copy that emphasizes fresh sandwiches, friendly service, and convenient ordering. Link your site to social media accounts such as Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok where you can post daily specials, behind-the-scenes photos, and customer testimonials. For social media strategies, ask ChatGPT. Create a 3-month social media content calendar for a sandwich shop targeting young adults and families. Step 7. Plan your marketing strategy. To attract customers, develop a marketing plan using AI assistance. Start by asking ChatGPT. Create a local marketing plan for a new sandwich shop, including flyers, social media ads, community events, and promotions. Use Canva to design flyers and social media posts quickly. You can also leverage free email marketing platforms like MailChimp's free tier to build a mailing list and send newsletters with special offers. Additionally, explore local partnerships with gyms, offices, and schools to offer catering or discounts. Step 8. Set up operations and technology. Efficient operations are key to profitability. Use free tools like Wave Accounting for bookkeeping and invoicing, which use AI to simplify financial tracking. For scheduling employees and managing shifts, free apps like When I Work help organize your team. Create an inventory management spreadsheet or use Google Sheets enhanced with AI formulas to track stock levels and alert you when supplies run low. You can prompt ChatGPT. Help me create an inventory management system for a sandwich shop using Google Sheets. Conclusion. Starting a sandwich shop business using free AI tools makes the process more accessible, cost-effective, and efficient. By following these carefully laid out steps, from market research and business planning to branding, marketing, and daily operations, you can create a successful and memorable sandwich shop. AI resources help with idea generation, automation, content creation, and data analysis, allowing you to focus on delivering delicious sandwiches and excellent customer experiences. Embrace these technologies to build your dream sandwich shop with confidence and creativity. That wraps up the video. Thanks for watching. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe so you won't miss future content.